Hey guys, it's Shannon.
And Paul.
And the Disney Tsum Tsums.
Yep, we have the Figural Keyrings Series 2.
That's awesome. I loved Series 1. I can't believe there's now Series 2.
Yep, let me show you the side of the box. So, all new characters to get.
Yes,
there's
Eeyore,
Stitch, Donald, Mickey, Eeyore, Piglet, the Red Queen, Daisy, Cheshire Cat, Dale, and then 2 exclusive mystery figures.
I want Eeyore really, really bad.
Yep. All right, Shannon, why don't you open the first one?
Alrighty.
Stand.
I wonder who the mystery ones are. Do you guys know?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see who we have. I really want Eeyore. Oh, this is Dale.
Dale.
Dale can now finally join Chip because Chip was in Series 1.
Yep, Dale the red-nosed chipmunk.
Yep. Dale's adorable. Here.
Oh, I have Donald.
Oh,
Look at Donald's little
good.
hat. He does look good. His little bow tie and his little hat. And there's his little tiny ducktail.
Ducktail.
Ducktail. Ooh, great. Awesome.
Okay, which one's Eeyore? This one?
No.
I think this one. It's not that one. I have Mickey.
Oh, hey, Mickey.
Now Mickey can join Minnie because she was in Series 1. So he has little white feet for like his gloves and yellow for his shoes. Cute little detail.
Yes.
And he has a little mouse tail.
Does he have his little buttons?
No little buttons.
No little buttons.
No little buttons. I guess they would have been on the back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. First duplicate already. Mickey.
That's because Mickey's awesome.
Yep.
Multiple Mickeys.
Multiple Mickeys.
Is it? Oh, so close.
Oh, so close. Look at Stitch, though.
Stitch. I love his face. He's so happy looking.
Yeah.
There's this little spot. And he has a little tail too.
Yep.
Really cute.
He looks good.
Whoa.
I got the Cheshire Cat. Look at his eyebrows.
He's really pink.
Yep, the little tufts of fur on the sides. Little stripes. His little Cheshire Cat tail.
He doesn't have the long stripy tail.
Yeah, I wish he had a little bit more of a prominent tail, but he looks good.
He's so pink.
He is.
Okay, come on, Eeyore. Don't hide from me, Eeyore. Who's in here? Oh, it's a duplicate duck.
Duplicate duck. Oh, hey, this is one of the exclusive ones.
Yes, it is. Good job.
Jiminy Cricket. I like Jiminy's mouth. He's like, oh no, Pinocchio, don't do that.
You know what also is cool is he's 2 different shades of green.
Yep. Olive green and pea green. Awesome.
He looks really good.
He does.
And you know, Jiminy Cricket doesn't come in a lot of things.
No,
so
he
that's
doesn't.
pretty cool.
That is.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Okay, so they're calling it on this series the Red Queen. I know ours, the Queen of Hearts.
Yeah.
Her little crown is so fragile. Like, look.
Yep.
The little...
So bendy.
Yeah. It's really neat. And she has heart bloomers.
Yes, she does. And a little man bun.
A man bun? Oh,
Yep.
no.
But it's a woman bun because she's
She is raising one eyebrow at you. Like, really, Paul?
Yep.
Really? Did you just say that to me? The Queen?
Yes, I just said that to you. All right.
We're doing good.
We are doing good.
It's 7 of the 11. And we're not doing good anymore.
Oh no, another duck. Donald duplicate.
Okay, come on, Eeyore. Oh, close.
Oh, nice.
It's Daisy. I saw purple and
Daisy
I'm
duck.
like, oh,
Yep.
it's Eeyore. So there's Daisy. I love the little duck tail. Very cute.
Okay. I got a Mickey duplicate. I didn't notice how long his tail was on the one that you got.
I didn't either. Did
But
he have a
there's
long
Mickey.
tail?
Well,
We
just-
better check.
He does.
He sure does. Just wanted to make sure they didn't sneak a tail in on us. Cheshire Cat duplicate.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Oh, Red Queen duplicate.
We might not get the whole series, guys. We need Piglet, Eeyore, and the other exclusive.
Yep. I wonder who that other exclusive is. I don't recognize the silhouette.
Uh-oh, a duplicate. The Winnie the Pooh people apparently are rarer.
Apparently they are.
I think that might be another... No, that's not Stitch.
That's Dale. Again.
Who is the other one?
What do we have? Looks like we have 6 packages left.
Maybe that's Bambi.
Oh, maybe. I bet you're right.
Oh, no!
Stitch.
A Stitch.
Look
Wow.
at Eeyore. Look at his hair.
He's really purple instead of the more bluish color.
He is really purple. I like that a lot.
Oh, he has his tail. He didn't lose it this time. No. I love Eeyore.
Well, I hope you get a full set, but probably won't.
Oh, Eeyore needs a hug.
Yeah.
Somebody has a frowny face. Okay, that was worth the wait. Who's in here? Come out! Come out! Who's it? I don't know. Daisy Duck.
Oh, Daisy again. Okay. Come on.
Three
packages and 2 people we need to get. Oh.
Oh, you got the other exclusive.
Yep. It's Bambi.
Yay.
Otherwise known as a little bus or airplane.
Yep. Ooh. You know, if you need to fly to Disney World, they should make the airplanes look like Bambi. They should paint it like Bambi. That'd be funny. I'm flying on the Bambi plane.
Yeah.
I would like that. I would pay more to fly on the Bambi plane. Okay, so we just need Piglet. Hopefully Piglet is in one of these 2 left.
Me too. Come on, Piglet.
Yay!
Hey, Piglet!
It's Piglet! Because Eeyore is not complete without Piglet.
Nope.
Well, technically Pooh Bear would be the better pick, but Pooh Bear's already in season 1.
Yeah.
Or series 1. So, yay, little Piglet. Okay, do we want to open that last one, or do you want to save it?
I want to open that last one just to see who it is.
Okay. See who it is.
Okay, so there's Piglet to complete this set.
Magical.
I hope we get like a duplicate Eeyore.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a duplicate Piglet.
Okay, not bad.
Not bad at all.
We have a pile of duplicates.
Yep.
But the most important thing of all is we got the entire collection in this video. I wasn't sure it was going to happen. But there they all are.
There they are.
Now, if you were paying attention, you will notice and remember that the exclusives are rare. Bambi and Jiminy Cricket. We only got 1 each of those.
Yep.
And we only got 1 Eeyore. So he's pretty rare too, even though he's not an exclusive.
Yep, 1 Eeyore.
Yep. So there they all are. Once again, Paul, did you have a favorite?
Well, my favorite's Eeyore, but I'm sure you're going to pick him.
Oh, yeah.
So I will pick Jiminy Cricket. I think he's really cool.
Cricket. That is a good pick. I am definitely going with Eeyore. What about you guys? Which one of these was your favorite? Leave a comment down below letting us know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you love Disney. And we'll see you in the next video.
See you later.